All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I wanted to follow with you guys 48 hours after owning the iPhone 13. Now, you guys know I started with the iPhone 13 Pro because I really wanted to get the gist of those cameras, and I opted out after a while to go to the 13 model instead of the Pro because the Pro model, I didn't really use the telephoto lens, and there is not much of a pro for me because I'm doing predominantly video with this device, and that is what I plan on doing with. That was what I was planning on doing with the Pro model of this device. So, after some serious consideration, I said, you know what? I'll save that little extra cash, grab me the same memory size in this one because this is now offered in a 512. It's the highest model, so that's good enough. So performance is the same internals, everything is here, and it's just got one less camera, and those pro features that they have on the pro models aren't really pro enough for me to make me consider staying with that model over this one for what I'm doing, which is vlogging and video recording. So these cameras on here are obviously good enough because it's the same cameras minus one camera lens. And I think that's important to note to a lot of people. If you're depending on what you're going to be doing with the phones, that might determine which phone you might want to pick up. So for me, the 13 is the obvious choice, but I did want to try the 13 Pro just to be sure, make sure I wasn't missing anything. And I won't be doing any macro video, getting real close to subjects and things like that. But the cinema mode on here is absolutely fantastic, and I have a video that I'm working on where it's a deep dive specifically into cinema mode. And I got the lighting right this time. I think I figured out the lighting because iPhones require a lot of light when you're doing some video, and that is, to me, that's where it's a lot different from other devices. Some devices don't require much light at all. So right now, this is the Z Flip 3 recording this video, and it doesn't require much light at all. It's not much to it. It can actually, I got the lights. Actually, I got the lights kind of dim in here. I just have two LEDs going. I can dim them down even more, and the video quality looks fantastic. Well, with an iPhone, it's not that simple. You have to have lots of light to get really good video, and in my experience, that's what I've experienced. I need lots of light just to get some really solid video, and that's just what it is. And I like the footage that's coming from this device. So I'm 48 hours in, and I'm enjoying this device. I did have these Sierra Blue. I do like the color Sierra Blue, but I really like this product red this time around. It's a lot deeper. It's a clean lines on here, and I like the flat metal sides on here compared to the Pro model. I think that's just a personal preference for sure, but I genuinely like it. I like this color a lot, but I also like the Sierra Blue. So right now I just have a privacy glass. As you can see, it kind of completely fades away right there. I have a privacy glass on here, and then I have a lens protector on the back. I ordered a set of tempered glass, but I really enjoy the privacy glass, so I left that on, and I took one of the lens covers that came with that kit and just put it on. And now the back camera is got a bigger bump on it, I guess I would say, but it's for protection. And when I put it inside of a case, you can't even tell. So performance on here is like every other iPhone. It is gonna perform well. There's no hiccups that are gonna happen with this. Their software is good, their hardware is good when combined together, and it's going to give you the best performance. And that's one thing about these iPhones. They're across the board, it's the same type of performance, and I think people should appreciate that and will appreciate that. So yeah, 48 hours with this thing. Battery life is absolutely stupendous. It is really solid. My battery life has been about 80% Wi-Fi, and the rest, the other 20%, is over 5G. This is being used on T-Mobile. These are unlocked, but I'm using it on T-Mobile, and it's been great, man. So I wanted to do a quick rundown on this thing real quick. I've got lots of video footage that's going to come from this device, and I just think Apple has, by putting these modes across, the devices, it works out well for them. So wanted to do a real brief video for you guys, let you guys know that I'm enjoying this device. If you have a 13, I think you made a smart choice if you're in it for video. That's just my thoughts on it. So I'll follow up again with more content on this device. Hope you have a good night. Take care.